So this is a really cool RC, and this is how you charge it. Just put it on top. This is also completely waterproof, so yep, you can drive it around. It's kind of slow, but it works really well. And here it's driving on some carpet. And here it's driving outside, and it works just as good. If you want to make it fireproof, then all you have to do is wrap it in the tape. Now it's fire resistant because of the fire resistant tape, and if you don't believe me, then here's more flame on it.